mukbang game again. And also, my mom's at the other room. It's right over here, the side. So it's not easy. What are you eating? Look, I have a whole pack of them. Look. I love cheese so much. I'm gonna put cheese 1,000 times. I'm gonna put it 2 times because I love cheese to with cheese. Done. Ma, do you know that when you buy food, your money doesn't go down? Yeah. You can eat a lot. Ma, look how many. Well, for me, I ate 587.
You're fucking.
It's a game. it's a game, so you can't be fat. We're not. When you eat, you get money. That's how to get rich.
Just keep eating?
Yeah.
Oh, I think they're making a mukbang video. Money from the video.
Oh. Are you even done eating?
My friends eating.
the door for me.
No, I'm sleeping.
I want to sleep with you. I'm scared. I'm scared. Sleeping alone. Please open the door.
How you open it?
I can't.
Oh, that means I'm still sleeping.
Please don't leave me outside. I'm scared.
Go in your room.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. Just let me get here. Let me in. I'm scared. I'm asleep. Since you don't open the door, I'm asleep. It's morning, and now it's time to go out. Okay, let's go. Mommy, join me in Brookhaven. Why? Why are you
Make me sleepy, you keep eating.
JD? Get out, it's a giant come around. Oh baby, where's the other than the teleport over the ground? Oh, get out, it's a giant photo. Baby, let's get her. Try park over the crowd. What? I did not start. Oh my god, what happened to that freaking thing? Now let's go to the other phone. Okay. Let me just wait. Okay. Why? Take me there. Pestila. Pestilo Mina. Pestilo. Peste, what's taking so long? Okay, now let me just. Okay, let's go back. So guys, the video is gonna add right now. So